National Weather Service in Chicago.
I was just trying to turn my radios off.
Warning for southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Geneva, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois.
Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, Addison, Glendale Heights, and Elk Grove Village, including the following interstates. Interstate 88 near mile marker.
Just comes off so easily.
90 between mile marker 3 and 22.
Damn.
This includes Brookfield Zoo, Shelburne, Boomers Baseball, Triton College, also Washington, College, Family Lab, King County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, and Wheaton College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Gary, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 12:15 a.m. At 10:45 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southwest of Elgin to Aurora to 15 nautical miles west of Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly... Higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Perfect.
Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor. Warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 1:45 a.m. At 12:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver, Crib, moving northeast at 35 knots. Additional strong thunderstorms were occurring across the open waters offshore of Illinois, also moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include St. Joseph and New Buffalo.